Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. This easy pineapple Hawaiian fried rice is fresh and super delicious. It is easy to make and packed full of flavor. The pineapple fried rice is made with grilled fresh pineapple. So delicious. Cooking with one of my #1 supporters in Bay Area.
Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Today we are going to make Hawaiian fried rice that will delight your appetite. This is going to be bright, savory, sweet flavors. It will be a bite of deliciousness and awesomeness. So what are you waiting for? Let's do it!
Let's start with cutting and grilling the pineapple. If you would be using the pineapple to plate, as I do, simply cut into the pineapple right down in the middle and carefully run a knife through the inside of the pineapple to cut out the fresh and leaving just the pineapple skin. But if you don't need to fancy up, just cut the pineapple as normal. Grilling pineapple? It is so simple yet so delicious that is mind-blowing. Most fruits are just too fragile for grilling, but pineapple is an exemption and makes for quite a treat to our fried rice.
Alright, this is exciting. I'm not alone again. So I have a special guest. I have known her since she was born. And the truth is, I used to babysit this little girl before, and now she's so big, almost tall as me, and I am wearing heels.
It's time to stir fry the rice, yay!
So today we're going to make this Hawaiian fried rice. It's her version, and we're gonna twist our own ideas and combine it in a good and delicious fried rice. Agree? All right, so let's start with, in a medium-high heat temperature, let's add
2 tablespoons of butter.
Yes, 2 tablespoons of butter. And next, we're gonna add 4 cloves of garlic. Do you like garlic?
Of course.
You do? I love it too.
Feel free to stir it around the pan so the butter can melt in with the garlic.
Perfect. I think you can make your own video channel too. You're good. Are you nervous?
No, not really.
That's good. How did you learn to cook?
Well, my mom always cooks a lot, so I've learned from her how to cook. And I decided that I'd want to put my own spin to it because I wanted to do something extraordinary.
Yeah. And I remember trying your fried rice. It was like 3 years ago when we visited your home. What's next?
Now I'm going to put in the rice, 2 cups of rice.
2 cups of rice. So the secret to any fried rice is using rice that is at least a day old, because this is perfect. It's not gonna be a soggy rice, right?
Yeah, cold rice is good to fry with because if you have soggy or warm rice, then it's not going to fry properly.
Yeah. So what's your favorite dish to make?
Oh, well, I like to make fried rice since it's simple and effective.
Yeah.
And it's very filling.
Especially like you started cooking since you were like 8 years old?
Yes.
And you make your own food?
Yeah.
Wow, amazing. Actually, I used to watch my mom all the time, and it just came it naturally. Yeah, just leave it for at least 2 to 3 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Exercise before we have to eat the carbs.
Be able to stir your rice for a long period of time for it to fry correctly and not be sitting at the bottom of the pan being stuck.
Yeah.
So you wouldn't want that.
Perfect.
Oh boy, this girl brings so much joy to me.
Let's have some exercise to beat the carbs. 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 I think we can put a little bit, like a pinch of salt here.
So now we are going to put a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Make sure to keep stirring the rice.
Yes. So how old are you now?
12.
12. So I aged for 12 years. After 3 to 4 minutes, let's set aside the rice so we can add our favorite spam. In Hawaii, this is very popular.
They even have a festival dedicated to spam.
Yes, you're right. All right, let's add. This is 2 cups of spam.
How much we love spam.
Let it sit there for 2 minutes.
Yes, let it sit there for 2 minutes and then you shift it around.
Yes.
Now eat the spam.
Eat the spam. That's right.
Yeah.
After 2 to 3 minutes, the spam is
Cooked and ready.
cooked and ready. And let's add the shrimp. That looks good. I can't wait to eat.
Yeah, so let this cook through first. When it turns a nice pinky orange, then you know it is ready.
Yeah. And you know, this is a choice of protein. You can even add chicken, shrimp, spam, or tofu. But today we wanted to mix it with shrimp and spam. Of course.
Now, right?
Yeah. Oh, so good. Oh.
I want to eat it now.
Shrimp. Come on, shrimp. Shrimp. We want to eat now. Shrimp. Shrimp. Shrimp.
A new kind of ham.
Yeah, spam, the new kind of ham.
After a minute and a half of cooking the shrimp,
Let's add a half cup of
carrots.
carrots. Good job on cutting these carrots. They're so perfect. And we can add a half cup of
Peas.
peas. Peace be with you. Peace be with you too. And then a half cup of broccoli. Ooh. And let's mix it together. Ooh. Wow. This is like a 5-star fried rice. And then
Let's make the secret sauce for delicious fried rice. I added 5 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce, then 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, followed by 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, and lastly, 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil.
let's add the sauce, the special sauce that we made. Ooh. Can you hear that?
We'll let it sit for around a minute.
For around a minute. I put ginger. Wow. Good. You like it? It doesn't need more salt anymore. After everything is cooked, let's add the
2 beaten eggs.
2 beaten eggs. Ooh. Perfect.
Let's mix it in.
Let's mix. Ooh.
And lastly, the long wait is here. Let's add the grilled pineapple. Remove from the heat and stir in pineapple and serve with our fancy pineapple plate. This classic combination of sweet pineapple and salty Spam is a great way to mix the traditional fried rice. Aloha, is that what this bowl saying to you? This colorful, pretty little bowl is loaded with so many flavors.
So, are you ready to dig in?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's try. Let's try the Spam first. Wow. The shrimp. So good. Oh, perfect. Ah. You love it?
Yeah.
Made with love. So good. That is
Cooking Simply Delicious.
yay. It is. This is so good. Yes. Woo, we made it. And thank you guys for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the
Notification bell.
Thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure to be with you in the kitchen.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.